I have to find this reverse beeper somewhere. Rear camera's installed. Let's check it out. Huh. Oh. Go. Yes. Sweet. So I was reading in the manual for the water heater the other night, and I noticed it said that if it runs dry.
The monkey.
If it runs dry, then it's a big problem. This is our freshwater tank, which I've just taken back out of the vehicle because we don't have any level sensor in it. We probably don't need it. Probably wouldn't run out of water, but I got myself all worried about it. So I thought, right, we'll put a level sensor in, and while we're at it, we'll thermal wrap it. This old stuff. This is kind of like the one we put inside on the side of the van, but quite a lot thicker. I'd also put one of these probes in, which will keep the water from freezing up in sub-zero conditions. That's the level sensor. Put that in from the top. It's just got 4 stages on it, so it'll tell you. If it's full, 75, 50, or below 25%. And that should do the trick. Nice and snug. I've also cut these down to size so they fit properly in the tank and give the correct indications of the correct levels. Good afternoon. I have the wind with me today. Now I've got the little heat probe installed there. I put some food grade silicone around that as well. It should be sealed anyway, but just in case, you know. And then this is the filler on top. It's not the filler, the level sensor on top. And I'm just wrapping her up in this thermal insulation. Even though I'm pretty sure these aren't going to leak at all, I've stabbed a little hole here. So if they do leak, it doesn't fill this with water and it'll just drip out of it, because any leak out of that's not going to be significant anyway. But it won't leak. I guess it's just the philosophy of hope for the best, prepare for the worst. I've got a Christmas present. Not really. It's just my freshwater tank, all nice and insulated. Whoa, look how warm it is in there. Ooh. Satisfying. Snowing. It's not even big proper snow, it's just annoying little snow that doesn't stick, just gets slushy. Wet feet. When putting the boards back up, obviously it's quite hard to find where the metal is because of the insulation. So before we did this, we did take some pictures with the tape measure so I can look through my phone and find out exactly where our stuff is. But I just discovered a quick and easy way is I got some magnets in here, so you can just place it on and you can find out where the ribs are coming down, so you know where you can screw into.
Where is the Ponderosa Cafe? Is it the one at the...
So this area here is just going to have a bit of a raised section, because this water heater wasn't originally meant to go under here, but we've had to put it there. So we're going to raise this section up a bit, so we're just playing with some blocks at the moment to get all the right height, and we'll get that built.
Yeah,
The jigsaw's not very good at cutting straight, so we've swapped to this saw, whatever this saw's called. Lovely day. So, this is how the bike is going to fit in onto this arch. It'll be covered with a piece of ply, and then we'll be able to have some cupboards up here as well. There'll be another battery here, there'll be 2 batteries. We are now building the side wall for the cupboard, and it's too high for one piece of ply, so we're joining 2 together. I'm not too sure how you do this, but I think from having a quick look on YouTube, then you just put 2 together like this, get a piece of wood, bit of glue, bit of screw, and it should be strong enough. Fun test. Oh yes. Do a man toke. Oh. Oh, that'll do beautifully. Look at that. Okay, so what we're doing here is something very similar to what Van Dog Traveller's done, which you should check his website out on his YouTube channel. Cool stuff. It's just made this little jig. Looks like a for sale sign. We'll put this up in the back. We'll clamp some paper to this, and then this will follow the contour of the side of the van, because it's obviously not straight, and then that will allow us to draw on here whatever shape it is we need, and then cut out the wood for the side cupboard to fit properly. So the whole jig thing, it worked, but not the best. I mean, I made this jig in like 2 minutes, so it's not exactly I was going to say a piece of art, but I think it is a piece of art. But at least this will now give us, we can make some cardboard this shape and then put it against it and go from there. Thanks for watching. All links to products, materials, everything else that I've used will be in the description, along with some other little handy links. And then at the end of this really cool little outro thing, there's some info on the ebook. Cheers guys.